Hi, apa khabar everyone? It's me Zarina from ilearnmalay. Today we will continue with the pronoun video series and we will study the word mereka, which means they. Mereka is a third person plural pronoun. Depending on how mereka is used, it could mean either they, them, their, or theirs. There is another colloquial word that we Malay usually use instead of mereka. It is diorang, or if you say it really fast, it will become dorang or diorang. Please be reminded that this is a conversational Malay lesson, not a formal one. So, you will definitely hear diorang or dorang used frequently among Malays. Mereka. This pronoun is normally used in literature or formal setting. Let's check out the examples for mereka. First, when mereka means they. Mereka adalah kawan-kawan saya. Mereka adalah kawan-kawan saya. They are my friends. Mereka tak dapat datang. Mereka tak dapat datang. They cannot come. Siapa mereka? Siapa mereka? Who are they? Next, when mereka means them. Lepas mereka, baru kamu pula. Lepas mereka, baru kamu pula. After them, then your turn is next. Biarkan mereka pergi. Biarkan mereka pergi. Let them go. Jangan lawan mereka. Jangan lawan mereka. Don't fight them. Next is when mereka means their. Dia ibu mereka. Dia ibu mereka. She is their mother. Harga rumah mereka sedikit mahal. Harga rumah mereka sedikit mahal. Their house's price is a bit expensive. Guru mereka sangat garang. Guru mereka sangat garang. Their teacher is very fierce. Next is when mereka means theirs. Theirs could mean mereka punya when colloquially said. While when written, normally we will say as kepunyaan mereka. I normally use mereka punya instead of kepunyaan mereka in normal conversation or in daily conversation. Ini mereka punya. Ini mereka punya. This is theirs. Kereta tu mereka punya. Kereta tu mereka punya. That car is theirs. As I said before, there is a more colloquial form for third person plural pronoun which is dia orang. I always use dia orang or when rapidly said you will hear it as dia orang within my close and familiar group as always. Well, that's it for the pronoun mereka. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Terima kasih.